Years ago, Griffin product end users asked for a highly durable, yet user-serviceable centerfire sound suppressor. At the time, no solution existed in the marketplace for this customer inquiry, and so the gears started turning in the engineering department, and before long, the ratchet-locking end cap was designed. This utility patent allowed the spring-locking cap to compress the baffles within the assembly and hold the suppressor together even under abusive use. Traditionally, only fully welded suppressors existed in this market segment. This suppressor saw service for several years until consumers again asked for an improvement, this time with enhanced durability and ratings in mind. The new Paladin HD or Heavy Duty retains the exclusive Ratchet-lok end cap technology that consumers have come to love, while integrating Griffin's new EcoFlow baffle technology in a more robust and durable 17-4 heat-treated stainless steel material. Baffles were thoroughly developed and tuned to achieve impressive reduction of gas blowback in semi-automatic platforms versus the previous generation product, while muzzle numbers remained best in class. Additionally, locking geometry on the baffle assembly was improved to ensure ease of maintenance and control of gas flow through the assembly. Careful design of the stainless steel baffle assembly allowed the Paladin HD to increase its caliber ratings to 300 Remington Ultra Magnum while keeping weight a mere 15 ounces in the 30 caliber variant and 13 ounces for the 22 caliber version. Dimensions remain unchanged for the 1.5 inch diameter Paladin HD series, measuring 7.6 inches long for the 30 caliber version and 6.3 inches long for the 22 caliber version. Griffin's enhanced taper mount rapid interface is integrated into the machined tube chassis, which starts life as a 10-pound billet bar stock. Cutting the mounting interface directly into the tube body provides best accuracy and durability of the mounting system. All taper mount varieties of muzzle devices work with the Paladin series, ensuring that every consumer's preferred muzzle device can be used. A user-friendly easy brake is included, however, which requires no timing to install. The Paladin suppressors provide best-in-class durability and suppression while retaining the unique, user-maintainable features that make them so sought after